Come on, Corolla, I believe in you. I believe in you, little homie. So if I start to like absolutely slow down and then hit the gas, this car up front, this car is losing some serious traction. Come on, buddy, come on. Hold on, hold on. I probably shouldn't be right behind this guy. All right, they made it out. They're good. Jeez Louise, that's scary though. I feel so bad. What is up? It's your boy and you're bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got another episode of Mod Monday. So in today's episode of Mod Monday, we're gonna be doing my winter everyday carry. So before you go all crazy, this is my setup as of now. 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5, an absolute beautiful, beautiful truck. I don't know who did that. So, as you guys know, I have a lot of Velcro type materials that I keep inside my truck. For example, this light. This light I've kept since my Quicksand Tacoma. It's a very bright light. You need a flashlight, always. Number two, some type of knife. I have this knife. I like it because even with gloves on, I can take it out and I can put it away. No problem. So this knife is a $5 knife from Walmart. Now, a lot of people tell me to spend $50, $60, $70, $100 on a knife. Now, I have no problem at all with that, except for the fact that I'm on probably my 20th $5 knife. So that's why I don't spend big bucks on them, because I know it's just a matter of time before I lose it. This one here, a multi-tool, was one of my most recent purchases. Ow. Also, can't go wrong with these. I love them. Super sweet. Also, $5. Water. This is not a product placement for water or some mango juice. No, this is just the container that I had most available to me. Now you may be asking yourself, well, Aang, what's the mod? What's the mod that we're here for on Mod Monday? Let me show ya. Bada boom, bada bing. I saw this kit at Walmart. So this is a $40 Walmart kit that, in my opinion, solves a million problems in one bag. So it comes with one of these. These are actually very useful, as you guys already know. Before the snow gets hard on your vehicle, you can go out, wipe things off, or even once it has snowed for quite some time, you can just brush off the easy stuff with this and then get started on the harder stuff with this. So this is all super cool, super convenient. Now I will admit, not the highest of qualities, right? But the convenience of it, that it all fits in one bag and it all comes in one bag for 40 beans, it's not bad. Moving on, emergency or reflectors. It says emergency triangle warning things. So super cool, just in case. It's not much, but you can put this down behind your vehicle just so that people could see, hey, there's some trouble coming up. This one may shock you guys. It might not, actually. I've never owned a pair of these in my life. Jumper cables. This is my first ever set of jumping cables, so if you know how to use these, maybe a little bit of a tutorial in the comment section. If not, I'll find out how to use these, but hopefully I never have to use them. I'll probably end up buying another battery instead of just using these. There's been many times when Sandy's mom's car breaks down, and I feel kind of embarrassed that I don't ever have these available. So yeah, jumper cables. Oh yeah. You already know we're gonna be pulling some Ford owners with this. Actually, I don't know how much I can pull with this. In all seriousness, I don't think I would ever use this rope unless someone was way more experienced than I teaching me how to use it. It also doesn't say how long it is, but I didn't bring my ruler either, so it just says it's a recovery strap, which is pretty cool. Something that, you know, worst comes to worst, I may actually need to use. Bada boom, bada bing. We got some hand warmers. It's really not that exciting, but it's cool that they bring this in it. So two, one for me and the other one for me. Sandy didn't get her emergency kit. Some first aid, hand wipe type things, so very cool, always nice to have. Some blue gloves, of course, we all love gloves. Well, I mean, I don't know, at least I do. I don't know when I would use these because I have already like 3 different sets, but gloves. This also does come with a little light, little flashlight, which is super sick, but I don't think I'd use it. Mine seems a lot better. A blanket, it brings a blanket. I mean, I'm not excited for a blanket. I mean, I'm not a little kid who wants a blanket. It got chilly. What do you want me to do? It's a shovel. It's a full-on shovel in a bag. Okay, it's not a full-on shovel. It's a miniature shovel, but it's still a shovel. So this is it right here, the Goodyear Premium Winter Safety Kit. Now, if you guys can see, it's missing one thing on here. Traction boards. We got to give our shout out. So for the people who commented in my last video of Mod Monday, I appreciate your faces very freaking much. Now, let's go down the list and see who all got it right. Shimizu, I hope that's how you say it. If not, leave a comment down below. Looks awesome. Gear. Traction boards. Correcto mundo, sir. Tyler Young, very, very good guess, my brother. My guess, you're getting Max Tracks, or whatever those are called. Correct. Well, not exactly Max Tracks. I just didn't need those, but traction boards, so I'll give it to you. Craig says, recovery boards, question mark. Craig, you would be right, brother. You would be correcto mundo. Sherm FJ. Recovery gear. Not sure about doing the back, but recovery gear, yes, correct. Mario Mejia, again, recovery gear up next. Brother, you are correcto mundo as well. Thank you very much. These aren't the big old Max Tracks ones. This is just what everyday average Joes like you and I need. Since I don't put myself in crazy situations, I don't really need the, you know, the big actual traction boards. I think these are more than capable for what I need them for. I actually don't know if they work. So we're going to try to test out these traction boards. And also we're going to test out this thing because while I was recording, yeah, we got snowed in. Also, what if like I open the door and it's like a ghost land? I'm going to try to use the traction boards. Now, they're very small traction boards, so let's see how this goes. I'm going to put one there. I think this is how it's supposed to work. Alrighty, man, well, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Let me know what you guys think about today's Mod Monday. Was it a little bit of a letdown? I don't know. I'm super excited. I'm into all things like gear, mods, anything that has to do with fixing up this truck. I'm all for it. And I feel like this is a lot better than doing an aesthetic mod. But that's just me. Let me know if you guys like seeing these type of gear updates, gear reviews. Nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. It's been your boy, I'm Married Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Sing good tomorrow. Peace. Also, if you're watching to the very end of the video, I forgot to give my tips as far as what I'm going to do next week. Let's just say we're going up. Does that make sense? Hopefully, possibly, if one of these shops is willing to help us, we may go. You know what I'm saying. Okay, well, I've said it. I've said enough. All right, well, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.